Yo, what's good, man?
Oh, my girl's about to come over. With that big old pimple on your face? She's here.
Figure it out.
Hey, babe. What's up with your hair?
Trying something new with my hair.
It looks stupid. What's the name of that show we're watching? Are you wearing makeup?
I'm trying something new.
That's not even the right skin color foundation, and it looks stupid. Where's the remote?
Just so I don't lose the remote.
That doesn't make any sense. Give me that.
Wait, no, I can't. Finally done. Let me just zip this up. Come on, there's not even that much in here. Come on. Hey, babe, you ready?
I'm just doing my hair real quick.
Hey, I'm gonna put on a show.
I'm almost done getting ready.
I'm actually really happy for that.
Hey, you almost ready?
I'm finishing up my makeup.
Okay, that's fine.
Where's mommy?
She's still getting ready. Did you finish your homework?
No, I'll go do it right now.
That's my boy. Did you finish your homework?
I actually graduated, Dad.
Congratulations.
I'm moving out.
How do I look?
It's been 30 years.
Well, I got your Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. Here you go.
It was worth the wait.
Well, ready to go?
Yeah.
Can't believe you tried on the second line.
I washed the car.
Sir, we're good. Thank you.
I wash.
No, we're fine. Don't. Okay,
I wash.
it's nice and cloudy now.
Need more wash?
No, not more.
I wash. He wash.
Hey, no, not more wash. You're cleaning the same spot.
The car.
Señor, ya no más.
I only speak English.
I mean, they are cleaning.
Hey!
I changed the tire.
No, chick. What are you doing?
I changed the oil.
Oh, listen, you idiot. I don't need a wash. Don't touch my car. Okay, you can't change anything.
I changed car. And you changed my life.
Look, man, I'm sorry. You want to change the oil? Be my guest, man. Change the oil.
I
Wait.
changed the oil.
You know what, man? Take all of it. Keep washing.
Hey, Janet? Yeah. I'm on my way to the office now.